got me overthinking shit like ain't no in between. People out here putting on, they really selling dreams. Got me overthinking shit like ain't no in between. They wanna use a nigga for work, but don't claim me with the team. I need deposits up front, like what the fuck you mean? Right person, wrong nigga, go find somebody green. People steady want you down, but they don't show no green. Pay attention to all the signs, everything ain't what it seems. People really putting on, really selling. Am I dreaming or am I sleep? You must got some bread, cause ain't that free. They selling you dream, but can't sell them to me. They believe in your life, but can't tell them to me. I overthink, but I keep it in. Early bird get the worm, but ain't sleeping in. I grind for my own, don't need a friend. Niggas ain't OG, take a seat again. I'ma be the truth and then fabricator. Had to make me some move, had to escalate it. Been cut all the fake, now I'm situated. My lingo and vibe, I know they hate it. I'm a different that dude, I peep shit. I'ma always pay, no cheap shit. People selling no dream like a remix. Putting on like they dead, but they pre-mix.